Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by clicking on Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, select Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!